Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a playlist on YouTube. If you watch videos and you want to save them but in a categorized way, then I'll show you how it can be done by making playlist. So simply go to a browser and there you have to search for YouTube. After that, you will get onto this page. Now, if you want to access your playlist, on the left side, you will find the option for the playlist. You have to click onto it and you will get your videos there in the form of playlist. But if you want to create a playlist, then you have to simply go to a video that you want to add in a playlist. So for that, we have this search bar at the top of the YouTube. You have to go there and search for any video that you want to add in a playlist. Once the video gets there, you have to click onto that video and it will play. Now what you have to do is, on that video you will find the three dots at the bottom of it. You have to click onto it and click on save. Then it will show you this option to create a new playlist. Click onto it and give it a name. It could be anything. If you're creating different categories like list or folders, so you can name it anything, and you can choose if you want to keep it private or not. And once you're done, your playlist will be created. So to access it, you have to simply get back and click onto this option playlist, and there you will find your playlist. So that's how you will be able to create playlist on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.